So the new piece of our unit page, the culturally responsive mathematics connection, is just after possible misconceptions on the unit page. I can see they need to do the Desmos activity first, and then I would anonymize the student names. When you go into Desmos, this would be the teacher view of this specific activity. I can see student view, I have a summary. I also logged in as a student. So this is what a student would look like. From their view, notice it's got my name underneath the activity's name. And if I go to student view here, it doesn't, because it's just a preview of what all the students are seeing. When I go to summary, it gives me a list of the kids that are in the activity and their progress throughout that activity. Once I'm done, or as students start finishing, I can click Anonymize Students, and those students, well, Desmos assigns those students a mathematician. After I've done that, let's go back to the student view. I can see that my name has changed from Jennifer Denson to Emmy Nother. This is a quick and easy way to assign students. They know who they are. If you forget who those students are, you can just hover over their name to get their actual name instead of the mathematician that they were assigned.